Good day. I trust all is well. Today is the 11th of July, and I'm grateful to be alive. I'm sure you are as well. We're looking at the alphabet F, and the word is forgiveness. Has anybody been forgiven before? Or have you forgiven anyone? At any point in time in our lives, we would have forgiven someone or we would have received forgiveness. Now, what does forgiveness mean? It's a voluntary process of letting go of feelings and thoughts of anger, bitterness, or the need for revenge. The psychologists generally define it as a conscious and deliberate decision to release feelings of resentment towards a person or a group of people who have hurt you. Does that resonate with anyone? It does. Good. I'm speaking to real people. People who have been offended and people who have offended. Now, my favorite book, the Bible, it says in Matthew chapter 18, verses 20 and 21. The men asked Jesus Christ, they said, how many times should I forgive my offender? Guess what Jesus said? He said 70 times 7. That simply means 490 times a day. Now tell me, it's not possible for anyone to offend you 449 times a day, not even 20 times a day. Even if the person is your spouse or your child or your parent, it's just not possible. So he's simply telling us that forgiveness is something that we must constantly offer. He also said in Matthew chapter 6, verse 12, the Lord's Prayer, said in verse 12, it says, forgive us our sins as we forgive those who have sinned against us. Now there's somebody out there who needs you to forgive them. There's a friend, a pastor, a business partner, a neighbor, a child, a spouse, crying and praying for your forgiveness. I'd like to end with a story. It's about a man called Paco. Paco fell out with his father and he ran away from home. So one day his dad decided to forgive him. He searched high and low and couldn't find his son Paco. So he decided to put an advert in the local newspaper. Then he went to the newspaper building. He went to the building and he stood there. He said in the advert, Paco, please meet your father in front of this newspaper building at 12 p.m. He gave a certain time. And on that day, he went to the building, stood there, and guess who he found? There were 800 people whose names were called Paco. What's the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that there were 800 guys who had fallen out with their fathers and were desperately pleading, praying for forgiveness. So when they read the advert, they thought it was them and they turned up. So this is just to let us know. If there is anybody out there that you know who is praying and needs your forgiveness, please offer it. And even if an apology has not been offered or an explanation has not been given for their wrongdoings, please give it to them. Because when you forgive, it's in your own interest. Not forgiving an offender is like drinking poison and expecting somebody else to die from it. Please forgive today. Let go and let God. He will help you. Thank you very much. Action points. Remember that person out there who is pleading and praying for your forgiveness. And a quote I read somewhere, it said, I didn't know how strong I had become until I had to forgive somebody who never apologized and gave him a second chance. Restore that relationship. God bless you. Thank you. See you tomorrow as we look at another alphabet, G.